Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve unknown error occurred on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram. And you can click here. As you see in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Telegram. If you'll find the update in this blue sign, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe.